In today's video from Top Secret Travel Tips, I'm going to unveil 16 affordable destinations with delightful warm weather in the months of January and February. We'll start off to places that are close to US and Canada, then we'll go to South and then East, with the ones at the end being the cheapest and most exotic places. As you may anticipate, the most budget-friendly location with warm temperatures in January near the US is the Caribbean, and our journey begins in Mexico. The most convenient and economical flights for the majority of individuals in the US and Canada are typically to Cancun, located on the Caribbean in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. This expansive region features numerous large hotels and resorts situated directly on the beaches with turquoise water. You can discover all-inclusive resorts with prices starting below $250 per couple, encompassing taxes, meals, and alcoholic beverages. If you're not inclined toward an all-inclusive resort, I strongly suggest reserving a hotel in Playa del Carmen, located approximately an hour south of the airport. Unlike Cancun, Playa del Carmen is a vibrant town teeming with restaurants, bars, shops, beaches, and a plethora of reasonably priced activities. Now, if you desire an all-inclusive resort and are open to traveling a bit farther, your top choice would be in the Dominican Republic, with idyllic deep blue beaches and tropical landscapes. Boasting around 200 all-inclusive resorts, room rates commence at approximately $200 per night for two people, encompassing taxes. However, given that this is the high season, it's likely worthwhile to invest a bit more for a more upscale accommodation. For under $300 per night, you can secure something that will truly meet your expectations, inclusive of all meals, beverages, and the majority of entertainment. The Punta Cana region hosts the majority of the resorts, hitting some of the best beaches along the Coconut Coastline and discovering hidden lagoons inside lush forests. It is served by a bustling and well-organized airport, ensuring convenient arrivals and departures. If you wanted to have that sun-soaked beaches coupled with a large and vibrant city, your ideal choice in January would be San Juan, Puerto Rico. The city features beautifully sandy beaches that stretch along most of its urban areas. Additionally, there's a captivating history known as Old San Juan, along with excellent dining options, shopping, and nightlife. Accommodations in beach hotels with San Juan typically begin at around $150 per night during those months, and notably, there are no all-inclusive resorts. However, for many, the most advantageous and economical option is to secure an apartment or Airbnb for a week or more. These can be found starting at approximately $100 per night in the Condado area. San Juan presents itself as an excellent city to rent an apartment for a week or two, allowing you to bask in the sun and explore the town at leisure and appreciate their majestic mountains. Now, if you're originating from the western regions of the US or Canada, Puerto Vallarta should be on your radar as it combines elements from the destinations previously discussed. Along the coastline, you'll find numerous beach hotels and resorts, extending from the town center. The town center itself is a particularly enjoyable and engaging, offering a plethora of fun and interesting attractions. The lively nightlife in the city encompasses some of the finest clubs, celebrations, and music festivals in Latin America. The region's unparalleled nature beauty ranges from its azure waters to its dense jungles and majestic mountains, making Puerto Vallarta an ideal destination for travelers who appreciate nature. Selecting the appropriate hotel is crucial in this location since many of them are not in proximity to other dining and shopping areas. You can discover quite pleasant hotels featuring pools situated not far from the beach for less than $100 per night during the peak season. When it comes to budget-friendly options, Cartagena, Colombia stands out as possibly the best value destination in the entire Caribbean. Much like San Juan, it features a captivating and impressive colonial historic district surrounded by a protective wall. Additionally, there are fairly good beaches with quality hotels just a few miles away from the heart of the city. It's convenient to enjoy both the beach and the historic district, as both areas offer surprisingly affordable hotels. You can secure a room in a decent beachfront accommodation starting at approximately $60 per night. Cartagena is one of the rare Caribbean beach destinations where you can still find a $1 beer and inexpensive snacks from food carts scattered around the town. Argentina is undoubtedly a destination worth considering during January and February, given that these months fall within the summer season, promising warm temperatures and extended daylight hours in Buenos Aires and other tourist hotspots. Unlike the rest of Latin America, Argentina imparts a distinctly European ambience, with Buenos Aires in particular exuding a vibe reminiscent of Spain. You can discover quality hotels in Buenos Aires online with rates starting around $60 per night. However, there's a way to spend even less. Another option is to allocate a couple of days to explore the Argentine wine region known as Mendoza, which is just a short flight away once you're in Buenos Aires. In the southern part of Argentina, there's a delightful and well-loved mountainous area called Bariloche, which bears more resemblance to Germany than Spain or South America. You could effortlessly enjoy 2 fantastic and affordable weeks in Argentina, even including a visit to the breathtaking Iguazu Falls located on the border with Brazil. Certainly one of the most unusual and intriguing aspects of Argentina is its affordability for foreigners, and it becomes remarkably inexpensive if you bring new dollars or euros and exchange them locally. Researching the Argentina blue dollar phenomenon reveals that you can potentially double your money. While it might sound unconventional, it is a legitimate practice. For a beach holiday in South America, Rio de Janeiro is the go-to destination. Renowned for its natural beauty, vibrant carnival, samba and bossa nova music, and the stunning beaches, Rio de Janeiro offers a captivating experience. Witnessing iconic landmarks like Christ the Redeemer and Sugarloaf Mountain in person further adds to the allure of this vibrant city. Hotels in Copacabana and Ipanema beaches can surprisingly be affordable even during this time of the year, as long as you steer clear of the Rio Carnival scheduled for February 9th to the 17th in 2024. However, it's essential to note that Rio de Janeiro is not considered the safest city, so thorough research and vigilance during your stay are crucial. Despite the safety considerations, the city is undoubtedly worth a visit for its unique charm and attractions. If you're not particularly interested in a beach destination and prefer a place with warm weather in January and February, Mexico City is worth serious consideration. It stands out as one of the most intriguing and captivating cities in the Americas. The vicinity surrounding the cathedral exudes a European ambience, and nearby you'll encounter affluent neighborhoods filled with museums, shopping centers, outdoor art installations, and excellent dining establishments. Just a short distance from the city, there are impressive pyramids and numerous other distinctive sites that contribute to the region's uniqueness. During the early months of the year, you can discover quite comfortable hotels for less than $50 per night, and for under $100, you can secure accommodations that are truly exceptional. Additionally, food and entertainment in the area come at affordable prices. Crossing the Atlantic Ocean and seeking warm and budget-friendly destinations for those closer to Europe leads us to the Canary Islands, situated just off the coast of northern Africa. While mainland Europe tends to remain chilly in January and February, the Canary Islands provide a warm haven particularly appealing to resilient beach enthusiasts, especially those from northern Europe. Popular throughout the year, these islands are easily accessible and offer surprisingly affordable options, including hotels with excellent value and pools near the beaches at reasonable prices. Additionally, you'll find happy hours and drink specials throughout, enabling you to enjoy affordable dining and drinking experiences even if you opt out of all-inclusive resorts. For those with an adventurous spirit, another enticing option is the popular Red Sea Beach Resort of Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt. Boasting crystal clear waters and some of the world's finest scuba diving spots, this destination offers a unique appeal. Situated at the southern tip of the Sinai Peninsula and surrounded by the desert, Sharm el-Sheikh exudes an air of mystery and romance, adding an extra layer of charm to the experience. Beach hotels in Sharm el-Sheikh are remarkably affordable, and all-inclusive resorts can be found for under $100 per night. although it's important to note that alcohol may not be included. This makes it an excellent value for those who don't consume alcohol. As a perennial popular resort destination, Sharm el Sheikh offers a compelling choice for scuba divers and water sports enthusiasts, providing an intriguing option for year-round visits. If you're seeking something different, Cape Town is the standout option on this list. Serving as the primary tourism hub for South Africa, it boasts beaches, the renowned Table Mountain Tram, vibrant shopping, nightlife, and excellent restaurants. While the flight to Cape Town might be lengthy for some viewers, it's widely acknowledged that Cape Town is surprisingly affordable these days, with hotels and various amenities feeling like genuine bargains during your stay. If you can secure an affordable flight, Cape Town could undoubtedly be a worthwhile destination. Now let's explore Asia. And topping the list for uniqueness is Goa, an excellent recommendation for adventurous budget travelers seeking an unforgettable beach holiday. Located in southern India, Goa comprises approximately 20 different small beach towns, each with its own character. Places like Vagator and Anjuna boast stunning beaches and quirky beachside restaurants and bars that draw in tourists. The range of experiences varies, with some beach towns being popular among Indian families, while others are known for beach parties and lively entertainment. One notable aspect of Goa is that not only is alcohol readily available, but it's also remarkably inexpensive, which is somewhat unusual for India. Hotels and other amenities in the region offer great value too, making it a destination where your money can go a long way. Therefore, the main challenge lies in securing affordable flights to make the overall trip budget-friendly and enjoyable. Boracay Island in the Philippines stands out among the destinations on this list. What makes it unique is its old-school charm. Unlike many popular resorts in Asia, Boracay has retained a lack of major development and chain hotels. The primary resort area, White Beach, spans only 2.5 miles and is adorned with small hotels located directly on the sand or a short walk away. The island's relative seclusion is attributed to the somewhat complicated journey required to reach it, serving as a deterrent to mass tourism. With no significant roads and very few cars, the sandy footpath along the beach is the primary mode of transportation for visitors, contributing to the island's distinctive character. Phuket, Thailand's largest island, is undoubtedly the most accessible Asian beach resort area from long distances, thanks to its bustling international airport. Unlike many destinations, most travelers don't need to change planes in Bangkok. With around 24 beach towns, Phuket offers a diverse range of atmospheres, and choosing the one that suits your preferences is crucial. Patong Beach stands out as a primary and more significant beach town on the island, ideal for those interested in shop or getting massages. While some may prefer staying in larger and luxurious beach resorts, great bargains can be found at smaller hotels, especially those located a couple of blocks inland. When it comes to Thailand, the most accessible city to reach and explore is Bangkok, and I highly recommend spending a few days there before or after visiting one of the beaches or islands. Bangkok is particularly suitable for first-time visitors because it boasts numerous incredible temples, monuments, and interesting statues that are conveniently located close together in the tourist district, allowing you to see a lot in just a day or two. The city also offers nearby floating markets and night markets with affordable eats and drinks, along with entertainment and bargain shopping. For those interested in shopping, the Central Business District, Sham Square, features numerous large and air-conditioned malls in close proximity, making Bangkok an excellent destination for brand-name fashion shopping. Hotel options in Bangkok vary from surprisingly affordable to very expensive, even during high season. But you can easily find a really nice hotel room in a good area for well under $50 per night. The food scene in Bangkok is excellent, and you can still enjoy meals for under $1 each from bustling and well-established street stalls. For an even more affordable and exotic destination after Bangkok, consider Siem Reap in Cambodia, a charming town situated near the entrance of the awe-inspiring Angkor Wat Temple complex. You can either fly from Bangkok or embark on a VIP bus adventure for those who enjoy a bit of excitement. The primary reason to visit Siem Reap is to witness the immense Angkor Wat Temple complex, easily the most impressive site in the Southeast Asia and one of the most unusual sites globally. Pub Street, lined with entertaining restaurants and bars, offers competitive happy hour pricing, ensuring that local Angkor beer is always priced under $1 per pint. Interestingly, they use US dollars, making transactions more straightforward. Accommodations in Siem Reap are fantastic bargains, with decent options available for around $25 per night and surprisingly nice ones for well under $50 per night. There are even small resorts and spas outside the town center with gorgeous pools, allowing you to indulge in affordable spa treatments during your stay. Remember, your adventure doesn't have to break the bank. From cheap eats to affordable accommodations, these destinations offer exceptional value without compromising on the richness of the experience. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone planning their first getaway, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and stay tuned for more exciting travel content. Don't forget to comment with your dream destination or any travel tips you'd like to share. Until next time, happy travels!